Welcome to the course Business English. Hi, my name is Fatih Koran Sharif. I'm an English tutor and I have taught many students all over the world. I teach English on Udemy for academic and professional purposes. I create online English courses for my students with methods that anyone can easily apply at home, and they can learn English and improve their foreign language skills without having to go to school. If I did it, then any one of you can too. You can find all the details about business English that you need to start using it correctly in your job in this course. This course can also be very helpful if you're a new college graduate and looking and applying for jobs. In this course, you will learn formal communication, email etiquette, how to build relationships at work, and how to prepare for meetings. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and see you in the class.